Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, I am going to apologize if I'm misunderstanding this question, but here's how I see it. Here's the hot air balloon. We want to know how high off the ground it is in feet. So you want your 1 mile. If these angle of depressions were 21 degrees and 18 degrees simultaneously on the same side, then by alternate interior angles, the angles of elevation at the ground would be the same, 21 and 18 at consecutive mile markers. So that's the 1 mile right here. Now, if you've done the law of sines at all, you can figure out that um, this would be 159 degrees and 3 degrees because this is a linear pair and then you're completing the triangle. And then you can do something um, um, in this triangle here, we can find what I'll call y in this triangle using the law of sines. You can say something like the sine of 18 degrees over the opposite side y would be equal to the sine of um, 3 degrees over the opposite side 1 mile or 5,280 feet. So we can figure out how many feet this would be from the hot air balloon to this mile marker. Cross multiply and you get um, 5280 times the sine of 18 degrees over the sine of 3 degrees is equal to y. Cross multiply the y and the 5280 and then divide by sine 3. I'm going to go to a calculator here. 52, make sure you are in degree mode. Okay. And that was 5280 times the sine of 18 degrees divided by the sine of 3 degrees. And so we get 31, I'll say 31,176. Okay, again, that's the distance here. Now we're in this right triangle. We want to find x, where we know this is 31,176. You can be more accurate if you need to. Maybe I will, 75.7. And we know this is 21 degrees. So now we can use right triangle trig from this angle, opposite hypotenuse. We can just do the sine of 21 degrees is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Cross multiply, and x would be approximately, so 31,175.7 times the sine of 21 degrees. And I'm getting, so it looks like you were close. It could have been even a rounding thing, but I'm getting 11,172. And if I'm going to the nearest tenth, 11,172.4. I hope this was helpful, and I hope I understood the problem correctly. Good luck.